Good evening, everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of IQI Canada Evening Talk. Today, as usual, we are live from our Cambridge office with a market update for Kitchener, Cambridge, and Waterloo region for the month of March 2023. And to give you the details, we have our branch manager, our team lead, and our expert in real estate in Waterloo region, Asif Nadeem, with us. Asif bhai, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Sara. How's everything? Weather went down to pretty warm, and then today I think is
It's
going back
pretty
into
good.
winter mode.
Yeah, exactly. And as I guess we haven't had a chance to, wish our viewers who are celebrating the month of Ramadan. So I also want to wish you happy Ramadan. And how is your Ramadan going?
Yeah, I wish everybody a happy Ramadan. It's almost ending now because we couldn't do anything in the beginning or so. Ramadan is going good. We don't know. Alhamdulillah, now we are into like 27th, 26th Ramadan. So
Yeah, and
almost.
the locally people know that you are also very busy with the Eid bazaars and the Ramadan bazaars this month. So how was the experience?
No, experience is great. What happened is I really wanted to do this in the last year as well, but I couldn't. But this year I said, okay, let's push it. Let's push
Yeah,
myself and get into it. But yeah, our response is amazing. It's very impressive, and we get to know more people,
yeah,
generate
that's right.
leads, get to know local people, local business owners as well. So that's a good thing. And I already invited few people in my office after Eid. Inshallah, we'll have one-to-one session, and then we're gonna have those are business owners. Some are doing RESPs with a better, planning and stuff, and the other ones are doing job placement and as you know, like I'm a big fan of my network, so
Yeah, that's
I will invite pretty much everybody, whoever can come and tells us what they're doing and how they're doing it and how we can help each other to grow and help each other grow together and a business wise as well as on humanitarian grounds we can help each other to grow and um, prosperous in this year. So
yeah, to grow together. Yeah, that's right. To grow together as a community. Great thought, Asif. So going back to our own business, our real estate market. So what is happening in the market, especially in the Cambridge, Kitchener, and Waterloo region?
yeah, Kitchener, Waterloo, Cambridge. We are getting good stats now because of the Cambridge real estate board was included in the Waterloo region now. um, but yeah, overall, it's a representation of low sales. It's about 38.4% compared to March 2022. Um, which means it's a lowest because I know like March, February, January, February, March in 2022 was the highest. It's a peak. You can't find a home, right? So it's reasonable, but 5 years average because of the 2021 and 2022, the average went up a lot, and that's also making an impact. It's 33.6% 5 years ago. So having said that, Uh, total sales detached on 356 were sold in 2022. Sorry, 2023 March, and which is 39.9% down. And 126 townhouses got sold. And then also 86 condominium were sold, and 42 semi-detached were sold. Semi-detached is the highest number of percentage is down as compared to the March 2022, which is 53.3. That's huge. But good thing is, in March, the average sale price of all residential properties in Waterloo region was 779,017, which closer to 780. This represents 18.6% decrease compared to March 2022 is a decrease, right?
There's a decrease.
A 2.4% increase as compared to February 2023, the previous month, is 2.4% gone up a bit. That is a good thing. So, so which means like overall we were down 20 to 25%. So now we are 18% down basically.
That's
And
right.
it's maybe like stopped now at the same 4.5% overnight. Bank of Canada overnight interest rate is 4.5% now, and I'm hoping by end of the year it will decrease a bit.
That's right.
And mind you, let me add a few things to it. The average price of detached homes is 910, which is not bad, and that is 17.4% down as compared to March 2022, and 2.9% up as compared to February 2023. Very, very good sign. It's almost 3% gone up. Average sale price of townhomes 640, not bad. I would say not bad, and that represents 19.9% gone down, and 0.6% compared to is gone up a bit as compared to February 2023. Again, these things these things are good, very good data to compare. We're comparing with the same month in
Last year.
and now we're comparing the previous month of what we're comparing right now is March, and the previous month is February. So, similarly, the apartment style condominium was 482. That's 15% down in March as compared to March 2022, and increased 5.3% uh, compared to February 2023. Very good. Same is also 700. Yesterday, somebody was asking me how much is my house price. I bought it in November 2021. So I said I think he bought it like for 600, and I would say like I think somewhere between 680 to 700 or 730 range. So I think this data support that suggestion.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, it's good. It's good. Like for semi-detached, 4.9% increased as compared to February 2023.
so I guess people are moving to semi-detached and townhouses more, maybe because of the affordability.
Probably, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and we also see that although the price has increased, but still the number of listings or the number of listings which are sold, which are closed in the March, they have still decreased. So maybe because people are still hesitant to list their house for selling in this market.
Only, I think, first thing, the market behavior, right? So first thing is the people who are scared, the sellers basically who bought it somewhere in 2022 or 2021, they are hesitant to sell it now. As long as if they have any convulsion, or if they have any issue, or
Yeah,
some other
suffer
personal
suffer
issues
as
going
well.
on or whatever, or the affordability, job loss, whatever. So if those are the issues are not there, they may not sell it, right?
Mm-hmm.
But if the people have bought it before this time period, then I think if even if they sell it now, they are making maybe 100,000 plus.
Oh, that's good. That's good. So as we
The
every
people have
every time in the market update, we discuss about the first time home buyers, because we are seeing a lot of trend of first time home buyers, especially in Cambridge and Kitchener area. So is your suggestion to the first time home buyers now? Is it a good time to buy a house and enter into the market?
Yeah, certainly I will support that. Remember in the previous market updates, I was also mentioning that if first time home buyers they get into the market now, it's better for them because at that time I think the interest rate were
Higher.
going up, right?
Yeah.
Going up and on the way. Because of that, the affordability metrics was also good. The qualifying rate was also good. But now, because of the interest rate, overnight interest rate is 4.5%, and principal prime rate is for all the banks probably is about 6.7%, and the qualifying rate has gone up as well. and that's the reason the mortgages are not getting through. That's hard to get the mortgages, but the main issue is for the investors. But the first-time home buyers, I'm hearing from the mortgagees, there were a lot of grants. And grants means relaxations in terms of getting them approved. They want to, the government really want, or bank they really want them to be a part of the community, ownership of the homes and stuff. So, so for that reason, I think there is a room. There's a lot of room if first time home buyer wants. Sometimes everything is not published,
That's
right?
right.
But if you talk to a professional, they might help you to get into it. So need certain things, and if it is done, then I think there's no brainer. You can get a home. Uh, I I've got an invitation for to attend one mortgage seminar. I'm not a mortgage even though you know that, but I know a lot of it. So there's an equity partnership plan with the lenders and the first time home buyers. And that's a very good, very attractive plan. So if anybody is interested, we can guide them as well.
Yeah, so that's why we call you Guru, because we know that you know everything related to real estate and mortgage. So if
Learn.
it's a complete package. If anyone wants to buy a house or sell a house, our details are on the screen. You can contact us anytime, and we will be happy to help you. That's why my next question is about the pre-construction projects. That is it a good time to get into pre-construction or to buy house?
Pre-construction, pre-construction is good, but again, I think the pre-construction builders are still charging a little bit higher price. The only difference is now you're getting the extending deposits. You might be getting locked mortgage rate, or you might be getting free finished basement, or some perks right around that. But the price is the same. Price has not really gone down. If you are buying the newer detached or semi or houses, but if you're looking for condos, I think condos have gone down a bit. A little bit, right? So, but the problem with the condos I mean, it's not a problem, but again, like somebody wanna invest money in that and late, and so wait for like 5 years, 4 years, then it's okay. In between, you can, I mean, the builders are giving you assignment clause as well, assignment right. You can sell it before closing, so that's there. But I think to answer your question, if if you can buy in a resale, then you should go for the big section. Why not?
That's, that's right. So yeah, so that is also an option for us. And what about the rental market? And because normally we see an increase in the rental demand when the new session in the in the universities and colleges start. So how about in the month of March? How was the rental market in Cambridge, Kitchener, and Waterloo region?
I mean, in Cambridge, Kitchener, Waterloo is high demand always, all year round. I think there's no difference. The only thing is when we are focusing on students renting or group renting, then I think when the session starts, that's you get a lot of calls, and I apologize those guys because I can't really cater everybody. But sometimes we have properties from the clients and stuff, so they ask us to rent it, so we rent it. But not all the time. It's always fills in, first come first basis. Um, but a lot of demand is there, but we can't cater it. That's the thing. That's why I ask investors to
Yeah,
invest.
but we try our best, to cater everyone and to adjust everyone in whatever way possible. So, with that, Asbhai, we are heading towards the end of the program. I just want to add one more thing that the number average days on the market, it has also increased for the month of March. It is 19 days now, but last year, can you believe that it was just 6 days? Every day, every average time on market for a property was 6 days. So that's it from our side. Any last message for the viewers, Asif?
Last message would be like, look up your financing, stay healthy. The weather is getting good now, so maybe go out for walks. Health is also important, along with your investment portfolio. So, and if you need any help related to real estate investments, not only in Canada, anywhere in the world. We have good potential projects in Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, and in Pakistan. I have a very good project. So we're gonna do a special program for all those property investments, and it's very low. It's very low. Like it starts from 22,000 US dollars. So you can't go wrong, and rate of return is 12%.
Oh, that
You
sounds
can-
amazing. So
you
we
can-
should definitely do another program on these projects.
For
So
sure.
stay tuned, and we'll see you next week with another episode, with another topic, and with another project. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Have
Take
a good
care
one.
and bye.
Yeah.